Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Authentication Failed problem, error code 403. If you want to fix this problem, first open Task Manager, just click here and then type Task Manager, or you can just right click and you will find it here. After that, just make sure that Roblox isn't here. Just keep scrolling down, and if you find it, just right click and click in task, and as you see, Roblox isn't here. And now all you have to do is to click here and then type run, click on it. After that, type here app data and click OK. Now go to local low, scroll down until you find this one, RBXC settings, Roblox settings, right click and delete. After that, go back and go to local, scroll down until you find folders that starts with R. And here it is, Roblox, right click and delete. This one will fix your problem. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, then your last solution is to click here, apps and features, and now click here and type Roblox, click on it and uninstall, and after that install it again from your browser. And I hope this can help you to fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.